Hey guys, this Haimeec cordless vacuum is cheap, it's stupid, and it stinks, and I'm tired of it. So do you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna vacuum up some sand, because why not? Yep. We have to be a little bit more conservative. We probably need a little bit more power. Not even sucking any of it up. This is cheap. Oh man. Oh, it's clogged already. Look at that, it's clogged. Ugh! Well, now I know what not to do next time. Oh yeah, I probably would have expected that. There we go, I think it's good. If there's a clog in here, it needs to be fixed. Can I get it out now? Can we finish the thing? Is it working now? It's barely got any suction. Don't worry guys, it's still working. Pause. Well, looks like the filter's clogged already, so do you know what that means? I'm not bringing it back inside ever again anyway. And besides, you only live once. This thing is gonna get shredded. Oh, poor thing. Actually, it's not poor, it's stupid. Do we have suction now? There we go, we're getting somewhere now. There's gonna be stuff blowing out of this in a week. Smoking. How do I try that to the electrical stack? Can we get any stuff out of scratch? Not doing a very good job. It's supposed to work perfectly. Is that? Continue. Alright. Finally getting some suction out of this thing. Oh, the motor's hot. It is hot. It is. This poor thing is dying. Honestly, I expected a lot more from a vacuum. That it worked for just a little bit. I'm not sure if that's smoke or whatever. Clearly it's not very good for it. Does it work? Alright guys, we ran into some problems, but we're back at it now. Who needs filtration anyway? Filtration is overrated. I don't know why it's not picking anything up.
And then
Is it dead? Oh, it's all locked up. Well, I diagnosed the issue, and we finally have some actual suction this time. And the brush is unclogged again. Let me just get this out. Alright. Finally getting some actual suction out of this thing now. And right as I say that, it clogs.
okay.
Okay, the motor is not sounding good whatsoever. Bro, the switch is jammed. It's dying. Gee whiz, this thing is not happy whatsoever. Look at how dusty it is. The motor is shot. It's got no suction. The motor's shot. It's got no suction. It's 3 years old. It stinks. And I'm tired of this thing. And the switch is jammed again. What happened to this part? What's this? Huh. Well, this is jammed. It needs to go out. Work. Go down. Switch is not working. There's a piece of sand in it. The whole thing is like misaligned. I'm honestly not sure if I'm gonna be able to push it down anymore. It's pretty jammed up in there. I'm trying to make the switch go down. Can you? Guys, I can't figure out how to. I can't figure out the switch is jammed. So my finishing move. Take that, you stupid piece of crap. See you later, Vac-Dude squad. Alright guys, I think I killed it. The switch is jammed. It's forced inside of itself. And the motor is shot. It's got no suction. It stinks. So, you want more? Take that, you stupid, cheap piece of crap back in. Guys, it actually still works. I don't think I killed it. It still works. What do you guys want me to do next? What do you think? That motor is not happy. I thought I killed it, but apparently I didn't. This thing is a lot more durable than I thought it was. Alright guys, I'm not sure I'm going to be able to finish this off in a presentable manner or in a presentable time, so I think that's going to do it. Alright, see you later.